Falcon's Fury. This ride, by its very nature, creates forces and speeds that may not be acceptable to some persons.
One. Yellow? Okay. Alright, yellow. The anticipation, yeah, exactly. The drop's okay. Yeah. So that's slowly rising up the top and you see the curvature here.
Yeah, especially when you're hanging in your seat.
Yeah.
That's what freaks me out.
Please watch your step as you exit. Retrieve any personal belongings. Please watch your step as you board.
There you go.
Use the door.
Yeah.
Go back. Your harness and lap belt will unlock momentarily. Please watch your step as you exit. Retrieve any personal belongings from boxes and follow the arrows to the exit.
Oh, sorry.
Falcon Fury, and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
Alright, and this time I'm making it tight because I did not like feeling like I was.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh, feet on the ground.
Oh. Touch the ground.
Oh boy.
Here we go.
Oh fuck. See ya. This shit trips me out bad. I don't know how I agreed to this again because I was freaking out the last time. Maybe it'll be different at night. Maybe during the day it was scarier. Where's Tampa? I forget where we're facing.
Oh, back to the left there.
Oh. Oh yeah, I guess
it isn't. It isn't this cool when it's not Christmas time.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, it's way higher than Chico.
Yeah, definitely. 330 feet.
Yeah. Wow. 330?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Hey, the flume ride looks pretty cool from there.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it totally feels like I'm slipping. Oh, I hate this.
Yeah, the drop is good. It's just holding up there.
Yeah, the drop is like relief. Oh, it feels like relief. I literally, I was like slowly slipping out of my seat. Ooh. That was cool. At night, that was cool. You can see better at night.
But if I never do it again?
Your harness and lap belt unlock momentarily. Please watch your step as you exit.
Alright, that was nice.
Okay. Well, have a good one.
Yep, you too. Take care.
Thank you for joining Falcon's Fury, and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to technical difficulties, Falcon's Fury will be suspending its operations. We cannot estimate how long the delay will be due.